Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for today I'm about to unbox a review for you guys my brand new phone, which is the iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, but a little bit of heads up, this is not going to be an in-depth review sangat for the 14 Pro. Instead, I'm just going to share you guys my personal thoughts and opinions about this phone from a perspective of someone yang beli phone ni disebabkan dia nakkan kamera yang dah di-upgrade lah. Because before this I was using the iPhone XR and aku dah pakai ni selama 3 tahun, and I think it is time for nak upgrade lah sebab dia punya screen pun dah rosak semua kan. So in this video I'll be showing to you guys some of the key differences between the XR and also the 14 Pro and some of the upgrades I'll be getting. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, but before we proceed, I just want to let you guys know that kalau korang beli iPhone ni kan, korang kena beli sekali dengan power adapter tau. Dia punya charger lah, sebab benda ni tak datang sekali dengan iPhone. Alright, so jom kita unbox iPhone 14 Pro ni pula. Okay, so sementara kita nak tunggu dia siap transfer, one thing that I can comment on in terms of the size kan. Okay, so this one is the XR, this one is the iPhone 14 Pro. Kita boleh nampak yang XR ni nampak macam sedikit besar lah as compared to the 14 Pro. In terms of the footprint tu, nampak macam XR ni is a bit wider lah. Okay guys, so sekarang kita dah siap transfer. Now I want to talk to you guys about some of the upgrades that we got. Now this one is the 14 Pro, this one is the XR. Now the first one I want to talk to you guys about is the punya screen tau. So for the XR punya screen, I believe it was quite an issue back then. Aku rasa back then itu dia macam it's not even full HD, and also dia punya orang kata colours ni semua tak berapa crisp tau. Okay, so kita boleh nampak kat situ. But for the 14 Pro, kita dah dapat a major upgrade lah. Dan memang boleh nampak lah dia punya difference kali ni. Dia punya colours dia dah jadi lagi vibrant tau. Memang lagi lawa, and nampak macam lagi pop lah dia punya colours tu. Memang nampak lagi menarik. Okay, now in terms of dia punya refresh rate pula. Okay, for the iPhone XR, dia punya refresh rate dia is only 60Hz tau. But for the 14 Pro sekarang dia dah jadi 120Hz. So basically this one dia akan dah jadi a smoother experience lah kalau kita nak browse through the web, kalau kita tengah nak main Instagram ke apa kan, dia akan dia punya animation dia semua akan jadi nampak lagi smooth lah. So dia memang lagi lancar lah basically. Now another brand new thing that they've added for the iPhone 14 Pro is that sekarang dah ada always on display punya mode tau. Now always on display ni maksudnya kalau kita turn off kita punya phone ni kan, kita boleh nampak that it's not actually turn off all the way lah. Kita still boleh nampak dia punya masa, and also any notifications that will come in, kita still boleh nampak lah. Tapi I read somewhere that kalau kita turn on kita punya AOD ni, dia punya battery life tu akan drop lah over time. But personally I think in terms of dia punya overall user experience tu macam tak berapa main peranan sangat lah. So I don't really care that much about it lah. Now next up, let's talk about dia punya dynamic island. Kalau kita tengok atas ni, nampak macam like a pill shape thingy kan. Itu namanya is the dynamic island. Now kita boleh actually get interactive with this one. Okay, so antara benda yang kita boleh buat dengan benda ni is that, so masa kita guna kita punya voice memo punya app kan, kita boleh tekan record. Okay, so sekarang dia tengah recording. So kita swipe up. So kita boleh nampak yang dia still tengah recording kat situ lah. So kalau kita tekan benda ni, dia boleh terus get back to dia punya app tu balik lah. Ataupun kalau kita macam tekan lama-lama, dia boleh tunjuk macam tu. Okay, next one is kalau kita tekan kita punya screen record button ni kan. Okay, and then kita swipe up. Okay, kita boleh nampak yang it is still recording kat situ lah. Okay, nampak tak tu? And kalau kita click on it, screen recording, still in progress. Okay, one more thing is that kalau kita ada orang call kita kan, dia akan pop up kat that dynamic island tu, and kalau kita swipe up, dia akan hilang, and kalau kita click on it, dia akan muncul in full. Okay. Now let's talk about dia punya battery performance. Now for the XR, I think we all know dia punya battery dia memang tak bagus sangat lah kan. Tapi there was a time when it was considered to be quite okay lah. Tapi for the 14 Pro, dia dah memang improve quite a lot lah. Tapi I read somewhere juga that for the 14 Pro ni, kalau kita nak compare dia dengan 13 Pro, dia macam dah jadi downgrade sikit tau. So yeah, it's definitely better than XR, tapi not as good as 13 Pro. Okay guys, so now I want to share with you guys the main reason why I bought this phone. That is because of the cameras. Now for the cameras dia, diorang dah upgrade jadi 48 megapixels. Previously it was only 12 megapixels tau. And I think they've been using 12 megapixels ever since the iPhone 6s. So bayangkan iPhone 6, 7, 8. So that's almost ibarat 10 generations of iPhones yang pakai the same megapixel So ini memang diorang dah upgrade banyak gila. So I think dia punya colours tu akan nampak jauh lagi vibrant and lagi sharp. Now another one that they've claimed that they improve on is in terms of diorang punya ultra wide lens tau. Now I think that they have used the same sensor since iPhone 11. So kali ni diorang kata diorang dah improve in terms of dia punya low light punya performance. So akan nampak lagi better lah nanti. Okay, so nanti kita akan sama-sama test. And last but not least is dia punya action mode. Kalau action mode ni, kalau kita pakai action mode dia kan, ibarat kita tengah pakai like a stabilizer tau. So kalau kita macam tengah berlari ke apa tu, all the shots yang kita ambil tu, kita boleh pakai action mode lah. So dia akan nampak stable, tak bergegar. So sekarang kita akan go outside to test the cameras. Jom! Attempt untuk berlari Mantap tu. Okay dah. Kamera tu. Okay, this is another attempt. Jom. Okay. Okay guys, to recap, this iPhone completely blows me away. I think this is my first time choosing a different colour aside from black. Dia punya deep purple punya colour yang baru ni memang nampak lawa gila lah. So yeah, I think when it comes to this iPhone punya performance, dia punya battery life and also dia punya cameras dia memang nampak lawa gila lah. Itu yang paling penting. I can't wait to use it for my future contents nantilah. Alright, so yeah, that's all I can share with you guys for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Kita jumpa lagi next video pula. Bye!